immigration questions. Wow, lines are already locked and loaded, Yo-Yo and Vanessa. Ayadeji in York, Pennsylvania. Ayadeji.
Hi, Brad.
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you so much. You're doing a good job. You're keeping us off panic. My question is so simple. I have a VAWA application file. My 485765 were filed alongside. I did a fingerprinting as of December 4, 2020. Until date, I don't have a work permit. What do I do?
When did you file the actual adjustment?
That was about 7/23/2020.
Did you get an RFE for anything wrong with your case?
There was no extra request from USCIS.
I don't know why you don't have your work permit. 7 months, it seems like an excessive amount of time. You should have gotten it already. Have you called up the 1-800 number?
Yeah, I called the 1-800 number. They made me understand I should write a personal letter requesting about my...
All right, no. So what I want you... Okay, I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't sent out and you didn't get it. What you need to do now is request a humanitarian expedite, because your application, you're a VAWA recipient, you're an abused spouse, you're unable to work, you're unable to support yourself, you've filed an application for a work permit since July, and whatever other humanitarian reasons you can come up with on why this work permit now needs to be issued to you. You have every right to do that and request an expedite request at this point. That would be your next move.
Can I bypass my attorney, please?
Your attorney can do it. You can do it. You can hire another attorney to do it, but somebody's got to do it.
Okay. I'll do it myself. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the good job.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Let's go to Timothy in Baltimore, Maryland. Timothy. Timothy.
Hello.
Hi, Timothy. How are you?
Yeah, good. How are you doing?
Good. How I been? I've been okay. How you been?
I'm okay.
Okay, good.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question. Can someone with 2 years green card give an affidavit of support?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The law says you just have to be a lawful resident of the United States, conditional resident, U.S. citizen. Perfectly fine.
Okay, so for example, my wife, she earned 22,000, but she have a dependent. She used one of her sister as a dependent.
I don't know what your wife is doing. Who's your wife filing for? Her mother, father?
I mean, her tax. I'm talking about her tax return. She got 22,000.
I'm asking a question. Who's filing for who? Who needs an affidavit of support?
Okay, she is filing for me.
Okay, so that's fine. And so now you have a friend or family member who's a conditional resident that wants to give a second affidavit of support.
Yes.
That's perfectly fine. If your wife earns $22,000, that's kind of on the low side. You should have that second affidavit.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck. Let's go to Sharam in Long Island. Sharam.
Hey, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you very much. I don't want to take other people's time. I have 3 questions, if you can respond me, please.
Okay.
Number 1 is, my immigration court is pending. I don't know when will be the date because of COVID, all these things. Will I be benefited from this amnesty?
I assume so, yes, if it passes.
Okay, how?
How? I don't know anything about you. Well, maybe you're an agricultural worker. Maybe you're under the DREAM Act. Maybe you're TPS. Maybe you just were here out of status on January 1st, 2021. I have no idea.
Okay, no, I had my work permit and everything for the past 6 years.
Mm-hmm.
I filed asylum.
Is this yes? As under the current iteration, and let me sprinkle some dust over this. The current iteration is not going to be the law. So it's going to change a lot. Under the current iteration, if it passed as is right now, People who have pending asylum would qualify.
Will qualify?
Yes. I don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen.
Okay. So people with pending asylum can get the LPS, right? Lawful Perspective Status?
As it is written at the moment, but as I said,
okay.
as it's written at the moment and as it passes is two different things.
Okay. And my other question is, like, for example, my court is pending. Can my friend, sponsor me to change my status?
There's no such thing as friend sponsorship.
No, right?
No
And
friend
can my
sponsorship.
employer sponsor me?
Probably not, because you're not going to be eligible to adjust your status here, most likely. And if you go home, you've claimed asylum, and now why are you home all of a sudden to pick up a green card?
Oh, I see.
Right.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.